So this lecture is about additional functions. We'll apply built-in functions to generate data for new columns. We'll DataFrame NA functions to handle null values, and next thing is that we will join data frames. The first is that we would run the classroom setup. We are importing the SQL functions. We load the path sales dataset. Now what we do is that there is the email column, and so we filter it with a column email that ends with Gmail. So we have got all the Gmail accounts. Lit can be used to create a column out of a value, which can be useful for appending columns. So we are selecting the email, and then we are selecting true, and we are aliasing it to a Gmail user. So all of the columns, all of the rows in the column Gmail user is true. Now you will see, so DataFrame NA functions is a DataFrame submodule with methods for handling null values. So we would be using that in this consequent cells. Here we will see the row count before and after dropping the null NA values. So sales df.count, and then we sales df.na.drop.count, meaning we drop all the columns which have null values. So drop returns a new data frame omitting rows with any, comma, all, or a specified number of null values considering an optional set of columns. So here we are dropping all the columns, all the rows which have NA in it, and we count it. But we see that there are no NA columns or the null columns. So what we have to do is that we need to explore the items to find some nulls in columns such as items.coupon. So what we do is that we create with column items, we are making the items, and we are exploding the call items. And now what we are seeing is that we are selecting the items.coupon, which we are seeing it out here. We are doing the items coupon.count, and then we are doing a .na.drop count. So we are seeing that there is a difference. So there are a lot of null values. So that is why if you drop the null values, we are getting these 89331. We can fill in the missing coupon codes with na.fill. So what we are doing here is that sales exploded dot select items coupon dot na.fill no coupon. So whenever there is a null value or there is an na value, we are replacing it by the no coupon. So that is what is happening. The no coupon is filling up the null values. The joining of data frames. This is very important. So let's see step by step what it is. The DataFrame join method joins two data frames based on a given join expression. Several types of joins are supported. The inner join based on equal values of a shared column called name. So it is df1.join and df2, and it is name. Inner join based on equal values of the shared columns named name and age. So there are multiple columns, so it is name and age. The full outer join based on equal values of a shared column called name. So there is an outer join with df2, like df1.join df2 name comma outer. Left outer join based on explicit column expression. So what we are doing is that df1.join df2, and then the expression is coming. So that is the customer name of df1 should be equal to the account name of df2, and it is a left outer join. So here what we are doing here is that we are loading the user's df, and then we are doing with the Gmail accounts, and it is an inner join that we are doing. And we can get what is the inner join on? It is on email. That is a common column. So this completes our lecture on additional functions. Hope you liked it. Bye.